going to treat you like, you know, she's going to behave like she's a man, because she will set rules for you. She will tell you, oh, I don't do that. Yo, what's up, my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about 4 triggers that make any woman submit. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into it. Number 1, having multiple women. Guys, when you are a guy who dates multiple women, women will automatically submit to you, because it's just in your behavior. You see, the men who have a scarcity of women in their life, there's a way they behave now, and it is subconscious, because this guy knows that, hey, history has taught me that I am not that attractive. I don't pull women easily. So when I get a woman into my life, I have to maintain her. I have to be, you know, there's a way you try to be clingy, because if she leaves you, you're not sure if you'll find another woman. But the guys who date multiple women, say you have a rotation of about 5 girls, there's a way you are chill and nonchalant, because you know that, hey, if you leave, I have 4. And the fact that you have 4 or 5 chicks who are already interested in you, who are in your rotation, other women will sense that energy, that, hey, this is a desired guy. This is a guy that other women want. In your behavior. And when they are around you, they will submit, because they know that, hey, if this guy has 4 women and he's masculine, so obviously these women are feminine. And being feminine is all about being agreeable, you know, being nurturing, being caring, and, you know, making his life easier. They will submit to you because you are a catch. So guys, don't be afraid of dating multiple women until you find, you know, until you decide to settle down. Why settle for 1 when you can get 5? Number 2, give women less attention. Guys, as I have said before, attention is the currency of the world, especially in women. Women always want attention. That is why they are always wearing makeup. They are wearing, you know, clothes that attract attention. Yes. So if you are the guy who is selfish with your attention, of course she's going to find ways to get your attention. Now, think about this critically. The guys that chase women, or the guys that give their attention to women freely, these women act masculine on them. They tell them what to do. Or say, for example, you are in a relationship where you are the one who is chasing the woman, so you are the one who is giving the woman attention. She's going to treat you like, you know, she's going to behave like she's a man, because she will set rules for you. She will tell you, oh, I don't do that. I don't do that. No, let's do this. Let's go here. But when she's the one who is seeking attention from a man, then she's in the position of being told, no, I don't do that. No, let's go here. No, I want it done this way. And she will submit, because there's something she wants. So it's attention. Attention is value. And the fact that men don't understand the power of attention, that is so sad. Because it is easy. Just focus on other things. Train your eyes to focus on other things, because attention is in your eyes. Always be always have intention or have a purpose wherever it is you're going. Say you're going to the grocery, go with the intention of buying whatever it is you want to go buy, and then continue with your life. If you find an attractive woman, sure, you can go say hi, approach. But if you don't have the intention of adding a woman into your life, why do you give her the time of day? She's not doing it to you. Women don't give the time of day to guys they are not interested in. Number 3, do not argue. Never argue with a woman. Guys, women are emotional creatures, and the saying that, that's gone. Damn. Alright, when a woman starts arguing with you, when she starts raising her voice, the masculine way is to either get yourself out of that situation, or let her argue with herself. Because if she's arguing with herself, she sounds crazy, and she's going to submit to you because you are remaining cool, calm and collected. Women will always submit to masculine men. That is the fundamental law. Is every action has a reaction. The moment she starts arguing with you, you start arguing back. Now it's back and forth. Emotions. She's never going to respect you. But she starts to argue. You relax. Now you are detaching yourself from that situation, looking at it logically. You let her rant. Let her run her mouth, whatever it is she wants to do. But the moment you relax, remain cool, calm and collected, she will want your wisdom. She will want your guidance, because you have demonstrated that, hey, I'm a rock. The purpose of being masculine is being strong, being unwavered by your emotions or the emotions of others. And her attraction will increase, the respect will increase, and she will act more feminine. Whether she's your mother, whether she's the woman at the grocery, whether she's your lady, never argue with a woman. Shut your mouth. Let her be the crazy one. Last but not the least, use eye contact. Now, guys, the moment you meet with a woman or anyone, when you maintain eye contact, the first person who breaks that contact becomes the submissive one, sets the tone of the conversation or the frame. So especially when you're with women, the first encounter, never break eye contact with a woman. Let her be the first to break it. This is something that you must practice, because guys, maintaining eye contact is not easy. The eyes are the window to the soul. Someone can look at you in the eye and know a lot about you. So guys, never ever be the one who breaks eye contact first. Let her break the contact, because now you're communicating that I'm in charge. I'm the one who is in charge here. And the fact that you are in charge raises attraction, because now she knows that she's in the presence of a man. Other men are afraid to maintain eye contact because they know they are not in charge. They know that in their life they are not in charge. Now, you'll find that there are scenarios where the authority, say you are the supervisor or something, that position gives you the power. But if you're not the supervisor, then you are another average guy out here. You should not let the position you have. Never use your position to seem powerful. You want to be powerful all the time, whether you have that position or not. It is something that comes from within. You have that authority. So guys, maintaining eye contact, knowing how to use eye contact in terms of attention and in terms of, communicating authority, that will make women submit automatically. So anyway guys, hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.